Hello everyone. We're staying at the Polynesian Resort, the Villa side, the DVC property. We're staying at room 3934. Gonna give you a brief tour. So this is a standard view room. You can see you've got a nice mirror right here. That's an adjoining room. You have the first bathroom, which is a huge room. It's got a full tub, shower, toilet, lots of room. I love the mirrored lighting in here. It's really pretty. Then you've got nice size closet. You're safe. Place to store your luggage. You have extra pillow and blanket and a basket for laundry. This is a DVC property. It's a deluxe suite, so you have a mini fridge. You have a coffee pot, coffee, toaster oven. You do have a microwave, and they did supply us with paper products, which is really nice. Your sink. You also have a secondary bathroom with this lovely stand-up shower with a rainfall water head. Same mirrored lighting. So this room sleeps 5 people. You have your nice sized TV. This is actually a pull down bed. So this is the 5th sleeper. It does show Lilo and Stitch. They're cute. You have a queen bed here with lighting all around. So all of those lights are operational with these additional overhead lights, can lighting. You also have outlets here with USB and plugs. Now the room doesn't have a whole lot of storage, so they put storage here underneath the bed and here with your table, which this moves actually because the sofa is also a pull-out sofa. It's a queen, sleeps 2. You've got a nice table and lamp. Gotta love that. And this is also a balcony room. So just so you know, the balcony is a great sized balcony. Tons of room, and this is your view. This is a standard view room. It's beautiful. One more long view. There you go.